this video we will discuss intermolecular forces. Let's see what is the definition of intermolecular forces. The forces of attraction existing between the molecules of a substance are called intermolecular forces or van der Waals forces. The forces of attraction existing between the molecules of a substance are called intermolecular forces or van der Waals forces. These are the forces of attraction which hold the molecules or formula units of a substance together. For example, if in a container we have water molecules, then the force of attraction which hold water molecules together. How water molecules are held together? There must be a force of attraction which hold different water molecules together. For example, we have water molecules here. If in a container we have, suppose we have 3 water molecules, then how these water molecules are held together? There must be some force of attraction which hold these water molecules together. That force of attraction is known as intermolecular force. Similarly, how different formula units of sodium chloride are held together? We have sodium chloride. For example, if we have 3 formula units of sodium chloride, then the attractive forces which bind 3 formula units of sodium chloride together are known as intermolecular forces. Or, for example, if in a container we have hydrogen gas, we have hydrogen gas in a container. Now, the force of attraction which bind hydrogen molecules together. How hydrogen molecules are held together? The force of attraction which bind hydrogen molecules together is known as intermolecular force. Similarly, if we dissolve sugar in water or if we dissolve sodium chloride in water, then in water, if we dissolve sodium chloride in water, NaCl, which is table salt, common salt, in the presence of water, it is dissociated to give aqueous sodium ion as well as aqueous chloride ion. Now, the force of attraction which is present between ion and water molecule. How ion and water molecules are held together? The forces of attraction which are present between ion and water molecule. Similarly, we have chloride ion and water molecule. The forces of attraction which are present between ion and water molecules, they are known as intermolecular forces. It means we have different types of intermolecular forces. Let's see the types of intermolecular forces. We have 5 types of intermolecular forces. These are dipole-dipole forces. The first type of intermolecular force is known as dipole-dipole forces. These are the forces of attraction which are present between polar molecules. Polar molecules are held together with the help of dipole-dipole forces. Second type of force of attraction is known as ion dipole forces. Ion dipole forces are present between ion and the molecules of polar solvent. Ion and molecules of polar solvent. For example, sodium ion and water molecule. Similarly, chloride ion as well as water molecule. So, the force of attraction which bind ions with water molecule are known as ion dipole forces. Similarly, the third type of force of attraction is known as dipole-induced dipole forces. What are dipole-induced dipole forces? These are the forces of attraction which are present between polar and non-polar molecules. The forces of attraction which are present between polar and non-polar molecules are known as dipole-induced dipole forces. Similarly, the fourth type of intermolecular forces are known as London dispersion forces. London dispersion forces, or simply they are known as dispersion forces. These are the forces of attraction which are present between non-polar molecules. How non-polar molecules are held together? For example, the forces of attraction which are present between hydrogen molecules, or the forces of attraction which are present between helium atoms, or the forces of attraction which are present between nitrogen molecules. Since these molecules are non-polar, so these molecules are held together with the help of London dispersion forces. Then the fifth type of intermolecular forces are known as hydrogen bonding. We will study some of the important types of intermolecular forces in detail.